Here we're looking at the main bearings on our D2 MaxxForce project. The main bearings, the bolts were replaced because it's a torque to yield stretch type of thing going on, so we got to replace the bolts. And we did a plastic gauge test of clearance with the standard main bearings, and we didn't get over 1,000, so we're looking good. You see I don't know if you can see the caps are numbered. There's no way you can go wrong here. And they've got a round end on the passenger side and a square end on the driver's side. It's only one way. Bearings only go one way. And we're using lubber plate to reassemble it. You can't lose all that stuff. Here's the Bible, the manual, and as always, it's always a circle pattern. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you go right into the end. It's 100 foot-pounds. The first round, 130 foot-pounds. The second round, and then a 90-degree torque to yield. So a hex and a half. And like I say, you got to replace the main bearing bolts. As they do stretch. And in between, actually, it's got measure crankshaft end play after the first 100 foot-pound torque. End play. Crankshaft end play. 6 to 12 thousandths. And we did a plastic gauge check, and see the specs are 1 to 5 thousandths of an inch. There's your millimeters if you're interested. I'm still kind of old school. I understand the 1 to 5 thou, but either way, it's past this step and onto the pistons and liners.